Okay, this is part two of writing the paper. So in part one, we looked at our outline in Noodle Tools right here. We took some of that information and we put it into our paper here, just like a rough kind of outline in the paper with our kind of like opening sentence with some background and just starting the thesis. What goes in our first body paragraph, topic sentence, our note cards, and second body, topic sentence, note cards, third body, topic sentence, note cards, and then our conclusion, which was restate your thesis and restate your main ideas. Now keep in mind that when we fill this in, we write our paper into paragraphs, we will then erase the stuff in parentheses. Obviously, you don't want to leave that there. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to cite your note cards. So after you write something from your note cards, you want to cite it. So let me put something in here from a note card. Let's go to weapons and tools. Let's go to stone tools. And let's say I wanted to just this first sentence here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in here. But remember, oh man, it's not working because it's different color. I got to change the color. There we go. Can you change the color on this thing? Here we go. Text color black. Okay, so remember, if we copy and paste like that, you got to put it in parentheses. Okay, so now you need to say where you got it from, right? And that information is in your note card. So right here, see it says source. Let me zoom in there so you can see that. Up here. Get away. Why is that there? Oh man, I can't zoom. Anyway, source, what does it mean to be human? So if I click on this arrow here, there's a drop down. It's going to show me all of my sources in my bibliography. And I'm using this last one here. So if I go to my bibliography up here and look for that source, what it started with, what does it mean to be human? You can see it's the last one down here. What does it mean to be human? So this is where I got that information. So the way you cite it is over here to the right. See, my box is moving to the right. You're going to see this says edit, copy, delete, in-text reference, have a question. You want to click on in-text reference. Once you click on that, you're going to see a box pop up over here to the left. And it's telling you how to cite it in your paper. So it says here, pretend this is the end of your sentence. This is the way you're going to cite it. Open parentheses, quotation, what does it mean, quotation, close parentheses, period. That's how you're going to do it. So all you do is highlight that. You can highlight up to the period if you want to. Copy. You don't need this anymore, so you can close it. And you're going to go to back to paper. Back to your paper. And right here, you're going to go ahead and paste it. You're going to go ahead and, where's it? You're going to go ahead and paste it. Just like that. What does it mean to be human? So it's obviously not the same size, so you have to resize that later. We're working with 12 Arial, so you just highlight it up here, go to 12, and it's the same size. So that's how you cite it. Let's do another one. So you know, okay, so let's say I'm going to go back to my note cards. Let's say I'm on the same, let's do a different paragraph. Let's do, what was the second paragraph? Hunting methods. Let's do hunting methods. All right, so communicate using fire to hunt. Do I have anything on there? No, I don't have anything on there. I can't. Okay, let's not use that. Let's use weapons and tools again. Let's use stone arrowheads. Nothing in stone arrowheads. You know what? I don't have anything on it. All right, so let's just pretend that I had something written on there. God forsaken all of us. Let's pretend I had something written in hunting methods. Using fire to hunt. Let's pretend I had something in there. No, it's not in there. There we go. Okay, let's say I had some text in here like blah 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 blah. Okay. So if I have it in my own words, let's do something in our own words. Let's put something in our own words. Humans hunted by using fire to help them scare animals or something like that. All right, anyway, then you copy and you go to your paper, and we are working on the second one. Yeah, hunting methods. So I would just paste it in there. It's not the same size, so we got to resize it to 12. Let's take out the period there because we need to cite it. So let's see how we would cite that. So we're going to go and just save that. It's going to close. We're going to go to bibliography. But before we do that, let me show you how you know where that you got that information from. It's right here. Human ancestors hunted by prehistoric beasts. So that's what I'm looking for when I go to my bibliography. That's what I'm looking for. So I go to my bibliography. I'm looking for human ancestors hunted right here. It's the third one. Human ancestors hunted by prehistoric beasts. So that's the one I want to cite. That's the one I want to say, hey, this is where I got it from. So do you remember which one you have to click on? That's right, in-text reference. In-text reference. This box pops up and it shows you how to do it. It says at the end of your sentence, type this in. So we're not going to type it, we're just going to copy it. Why type when you can copy, right? Okay, there we go. Highlight all, copy. We don't need that anymore. Close it. Close it. It's closing. I think it's closing. Nope, it's not closing. It's frozen. Oh, come on, man. Oh, jeez. There we go. Thank you. All right, and then we just paste it in there, and there it goes. But we need to resize it. We want 12. It's at 9. We don't want 912. There you go. So there's my citation. So in other words, what we're saying is that when I say humans hunted by using fire to help them scare animals, I'm saying that I got it from this source, human ancestors hunted by prehistoric. And that's basically how you do that with at the end of every note card information. So right here at note cards 2, if I use both note card information, then I have to have 2 citations. If I use all 3 right here in the second body paragraph, I need 3 citations. Over here, if I use 2, I need 2. And that's pretty much how you do that.